Here's a data analyst diagram we will use to help orient ourselves. This will help us better understand where we are and where we'd like to go. First, let's pretend we are trying to predict which items will sell the most depending on what the weather is like. We'll also say we have a lot of data about the sales patterns of our products. So for this example, where are we on this chart? We know we have a business problem where we are trying to predict an outcome. That rules out needing to do any data analysis. What we also know is we have lots of data, so we can call it data rich. Now we are divided between two sections, numeric and classification. We're working with weather, so we need to decide if that is a numeric or non-numeric variable. Since we need to categorize the weather by sun, rain, or anything else, this makes it a category which is non-numeric. This puts us on the classification path. And in this course, we'll learn what is going on within this classification section. To do this, we divided the lesson into 4 sections. In the first section, we're going to learn what this whole classification thing means. We're also going to start to prepare data for the various types of models taught throughout the course. In the second section, we're going to compare binary models against each other to determine which model to use for prediction. We are also going to be building out this prediction model. In the third section, we're going to do exactly the same thing as in the second section, but in the context of predicting non-binary data. And finally, we're going to give you a classification business problem. You will work with some data and let you loose using the techniques you've learned throughout this course to present and explain the model you chose. We've got a lot of work to do, so let's begin.